Hi guys, basically today I'm going to do an unboxing video on my first Vincero watch. So it's my first unboxing video, so I would like to share with you what I received today. So basically I bought this Vincero men's watch online, and I do have some discount for this if you're interested to get. Later at the end of the video I'll share with you. So let me just unbox this. So basically the texture of this casing is pretty good. So let me just remove the outer casing. I think it's paper. Yeah. Okay, so this is quite a nice hard cardboard box. So this is the brand Vincero. Yeah. So let me just open this. Okay. So yep, this is the black Chrono-S Vincero men's watch. It's a leather watch. Yeah, let me just bring it closer. Okay, so let's see what it is inside the box. I think basically we have the instruction guide. This is the instruction guide. So how to set up the time, set up the date, the stopwatch, the settings, second hand, and also the explanation on the different functionality of the chronograph. So if you have chronograph, then I think it's very easy for you. Okay. So yeah, this is the thing that mentioned. They're going to give me, if I were to refer you, $30, and at the same time you will get $20 off your next purchase. Yeah, for your purchase at the Vincero online store. Okay, so if you're interested, you probably could just drop me a PM later. Okay, so let's take out the watch. Okay, so the box is pretty well designed, and you can see that this is unlike the China watches. Okay, so this is the leather watch, the black leather watch. Yeah. So this leather, which is black in color, you can change it into whatever color that you want that they have on the website. Yeah. Okay, you can see the mate is pretty good and it's unlike those cheap watches. So this watch is pretty affordable for men's if you want to have your first leather watch or use it as a business watch. So you can see that well, that's actually a quote I want to show you. Because I received from the founder that yeah, it says that leave your legacy. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so you can see that in the center there is this white piece of thing. Yeah, basically it's a white marble step. So this is one of the signature feature. Yeah, let me just show it slowly and turn it. Yeah, so that you can see all the different angles. Oh, there's also this date function over here. Yeah. Okay. So how does it look on my wrist? Yeah, I'm going to wear it. Let's hold on. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, I'm going to use it for my business meeting. Yeah. So yep, guys, that's it for unboxing this video. So catch my next unboxing video.